welcome back to the channel. Today we're cranking the torsion bar on my truck. So right now my setup is 35-inch tires with stock suspension. It means no lift kit. I really thought I could get away with these fender, but I am still rubbing here when I turn hard. So I was kind of fed up that I couldn't turn at all, so I decided to crank the torsion bar on this truck. I didn't want it to crank them all the way up, but I had no choice to do that. And even all the way up in the air as I can go with the torsion bar, I'm still rubbing here, but it's way better than it used to be. So right here is the torsion bar. So when you crank them, you just give them more tension on these, so it forces the A-arm to go down a bit. You can gain around 2-inch lifting that up. So you want to be on the most level ground you can. Obviously my driveway is like on a little hill, but it's not really a big thing. So what I like to do first is to grab a tape measure on a stock setup, obviously, because with these fender it doesn't help me at all anymore. So you want to take a measurement before and after on each side, obviously, and then you should be ready to jack the truck up. So what I like to do is to jack right here so I can lift both sides at the same time. But since the truck is so heavy, you gotta make sure you're using wood on your jack, or else you'll just dig in the asphalt. And then all you need to do that job is an 18mm socket. Sometimes it can get hard to turn, so I like to use a snipe. And as soon as the truck is lifted, all you need to do is to crank that bolt over here. Like I said, on my setup, I had to crank this one all the way up. But what you need to do is to go all the way up and then lowering down as much as you want. Let's say a 90 degree, 180 degree. And obviously you do the exact same thing on the other side. And then as soon as you're done cranking, you can lower the truck down and you're ready to take another measurement here to see how much you lift. And keep in mind that when you do this, cranking the torsion bar, you immediately have to go on an alignment. So for my setup, I had to crank them all the way, but it's up to you. You can go an inch if you want, 2-inch, an inch and a half, whatever. It wasn't that long of a video for the only reason that this task is only taking 10 minutes. Anyways, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, guys.